Hi, my name is Milet, and I'm undergraduate of college in Bachelor of Science in Nursing and graduate of Professional Caregiver Program with additional training as a medical virtual assistant. I am also a HIPAA certified, which allows me to handle sensitive and confidential information with professionalism and trust. I have experience working as a general virtual assistant where I manage social media pages, handle messages, and provide administrative support. I also work as an executive virtual assistant in a law firm where I handle email and calendar management, client communication, document organization, and confidential legal records. This role strengthened my attention to detail, discretion, and ability to work in a fast-paced environment. I did not leave my first job or my previous job because of my any negative reason. I am grateful that for the experience I gained there. However, I realized that I want to step outside my comfort zone. And I continue growing professionally. I'm truly grateful with that role, and I want to focus on a healthcare related virtual as support because of my nursing background, and I believe this is where I can grow and contribute more effectively. And my key skills include strong communication skills, organization, multitasking, reliability, and ability to work independently with minimal supervision. I am compassionate, detail oriented, and eager to contribute to a long term goal. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you. Have a great day and God